Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off your iPhone. So it works for every iPhone. It may be the normal one or it may be the Pro or the Pro Max one. So it works the same for each and every iPhone. So for that what you need to do is you need to tap your lock button and the volume up button at the same time, and after that, as you can see, this windows will pop up. So what you need to do is slide this to your right and your iPhone will turn. But if your phone buttons are not working, if your phone buttons are destroyed or it has broken, so let me show you guys how you can turn off it. So first that, let's go to setting, and from here you need to swipe down and go to general, and after here you need to again swipe down to the end. From here, as you can see, it says shutdown. From here you can turn off your iPhone.